Hello, young engineers. This is Mr. Dias, and we're going to be doing PLTW's Lesson 3, Activity 3.3, Transistors to Gates. For the first part of the lesson, we're going to be creating an AND gate using two transistors. The circuit diagram is on the left side, and I have what the SNAP circuit is going to look like on the right-hand side over there. I've already built that, so let's take a look and see what components I used and how this circuit operates. Okay, I have a 3-volt DC source. This is the positive side, and it's the negative side of the 3-volt source. I have a red LED. I have my two NPN transistors. There's the emitter, base, and collector, emitter, base, and collector. And I have two current limiting resistors. We have 1,000 ohm current limiting resistors. And I have two slide switches. This is the off position, the on position, off position, and the on position. In order for this red LED to light up, current needs to be going through this path here from the negative to the transistor's emitter and collector, and then back to the positive. If this switch or this switch is off, then we're not going to have any base current through this transistor and no base current through this transistor, so that will the transistor will be acting like an open circuit, so no current's going to be flowing through the emitter to the collector. No current can flow from that emitter to collector. If I turn this switch on, the light still is off. There's no base current, so current will not flow from the emitter to the collector over here. And of course this is off also, so no current would be able to flow through here, and we have an open circuit. So the red LED stays off with one of them on. Now if we turn this one on, you can see that the red LED lit up. Current's flowing through this path over here from the negative side of the 3-volt source up to the emitter. We have some base current going because the switch is on, so that allows the current to flow from the emitter to collector. And this switch is in the on position, so we have base current flowing from the emitter to the base. That allows current to go from the emitter to the collector and all the way back to the plus 3 volts. So with both of the switches in off position, then the red LED stays off. With this one in the on position, current can flow up to here, but then this transistor's not having any base current, so there's an open circuit. We don't have a complete path. We have an open circuit over here, so the red LED stays off. If I have this one off and this one on, there's no current going to be flowing from the emitter to the base, so that prevents current flowing from the emitter to the collector, so there's an open circuit over here. So it's going to take both of these switches to be in the on position in order to light the red LED. Both off, doesn't light up. This one on, doesn't light up. If I turn this one off and this one on, it still doesn't light up. It takes both of these switches to be in the on position.